and welcome to today's Brace Bites Live, which is about how quickly can I move my teeth? And this is a question that we get asked quite frequently because obviously, especially with adults, they get to a stage where people are slightly concerned about how long it will take for them to be wearing their braces. They don't really want to be wearing their braces for very long. Sometimes people have life events plans. We've got weddings, children's weddings, and so people want their brace treatment done in a certain amount of time. And one of the things that we like to say to people is that actually teeth do only move in a specific certain time frame. So it would be great if we could wave our magic wands and say, don't worry, your treatment's not going to take more than 6 months or so. But of course, the time it takes to treat and straighten your teeth is dependent upon the complexity and the irregularity of your teeth to start off with. So there are very, very few patients that can be treated in the sort of 4 to 6 months that we hear about. And interestingly, it's a conversation I've had with a patient today who's been told that she can have a treatment done in 4 months. Well, one of the things I would say is that these short-term type orthodontics are very commonly done by dentists and done really well, but for slightly different reasons. So they are done where the teeth are moved to improve the position of the teeth, but actually at the end of the day, you're looking at doing bonding and all sorts of other things on the teeth. And normally that short, quick movement is restricted to just the front set of teeth. So that's just your front teeth that are kind of your smile teeth. It's not really improving your bite. It's not really improving your back position of your teeth because those things do take time. And so on average, if you're going to be doing like a standard course of treatment, the time that you'd be looking at is probably more towards the range of about 18 to 24 months, which does surprise people because I think there is this kind of myth that goes around that brace treatment can be done really quickly, but we can't force biology. We can't force your teeth to move any quicker than they should do. And actually sometimes encouraging your teeth and forcing them to move quicker than they should do does increase the risks of the brace treatment and can cause more harm than good. And so just like when you break your arm or you break your leg and you have it in a plaster, that plaster needs to stay on for a standard period of time. We know from the science that on average it takes about 6 weeks for a bone to heal. And so in the same way as well, we know that certain tooth movements are going to take a certain amount of time. And the patients that are fortunate and can get away with small tooth movements and shorter treatment time are often the patients that maybe previously had treatment, and so their teeth are generally pretty straight and they've just got one little minor tooth or something that's out of line. But most patients are looking for at least anywhere between sort of 9 to 12 months to 18 to 24 months, or sometimes even longer if there's really complex treatment going on. And I think it's important for patients to be realistic in their expectations because we would love for your treatment to take much less time than it does at the moment. But the reality is that the biology of your teeth and the response that your teeth have to the brace treatment means that they will only move in the time that it takes for them to move. So like I say, on average, that's normally between sort of 9 to anywhere, depending on the complexity, to 18 to 24 months to 36 months. But short-term treatment is very rarely what it is made up to be. And so often we do see patients that have been promised treatment that will only take sort of 6 months or so. And it's very rare that actually they get the results that they're looking for in that time. Certainly, your results, they will be improved. But if you're looking for a really good definitive outcome, that often does take longer. And so I hope that gives you an idea of just how long it does take to straighten teeth. It is not a miracle overnight service that we can deliver for you much as we'd like to. And I think it's important to understand that moving your teeth too quickly can actually cause more harm than good. So with that knowledge, I hope you make some sensible decisions and we will see you next time. Take care. Bye-bye.